Opening shot of technology gadgets. Are you wondering what AI is and what it can do for you? Well, we've got you covered. Here are 3 must-knows. First, AI is all around us. From voice assistants like Alexa and Siri to recommendation systems that suggest what we should watch, read, or buy, AI is used in various ways. AI programs are even used in finance, healthcare, transportation, and education. AI is used to make our lives much easier every day. Second, AI is a game changer. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we work, communicate, and live. AI can automate repetitive tasks, enhance decision-making processes, and improve accuracy and speed. AI can also support scientific discoveries, enable new innovations, and enhance creativity. Lastly, AI raises ethical concerns. While AI can offer plenty of benefits, it also poses ethical challenges. AI can perpetuate bias, discrimination, and inequality. It can raise concerns about privacy, security, and autonomy. Addressing these ethical challenges is crucial to ensure that AI is safe, fair, and beneficial for everybody. So that's it. 3 must-knows about AI. AI is all around us, it's a game changer, and it raises ethical concerns. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.